of these images now they are degrading due to the water, and water mostly came from the rain. So that from the top of the head, the water is slowly moving, and this is the blue green algae. Once the blue green algae is dry, it becomes the black in color. So many of those you see these statues और you see जो मूर्तियाँ हैं वो डैमेज कंडीशंस में जा रही हैं. तो पिछले 13 साल से from last 13 years I am working on this, and book on Devgarh is also published by on Gatha Publication Lucknow. Next, when you come to the Mahova, this is also in the central India. So Mahova, this type of the mutt, the people are called the mutt here, the temples. They are so some parts they are called Mahishasur mutt. So here is the when an animal start giving the milk, जैसे कोई गाय है भैंस है दूध देती है, और दूध देती है तो सबसे पहले वो मूर्ति के पास में वो उसको चढ़ाने के लिए जाते हैं. दिस इज द ब्लेसिंग्स, टेकिंग द ब्लेसिंग ऑफ द दोज you see the systems. And the same way, earlier it was sacrifice those of the animals, more than see. Now they do and return, rather than you see the culling. Yes. So same way the Mahova is the location. This Mahova, they find the 11th century statue, and now it's kept in the Jhansi Museum, that is the government museum. Samrat Ashok, you see having the structures, some coins, and those are stones are also found in that area. Yes. In the same area, Mahova and Hamirpur, this is called the Buddhist Math. बौद्ध मठ के नाम से ये फेमस है. टाइम टू टाइम आई एम गोइंग. नोबडी इज रेजिडिंग, नाइदर द मॉन्क नॉर द ले पर्सन्स, ओनली यू सी द नागा, द सांप जो है वो रहते हैं वहाँ पर. और क्योंकि वो तो अभी कोई उधर रहता नहीं है, तो इस तरह से ये कंडीशन उसकी है. सो दिस इज द टाउन इज कॉल्ड सरीला. राट एंड सरीला, दीज आर द नियर बाई स्टेट्स. सो दैट्स आई एम टॉकिंग सेंट्रल इंडिया. Same way you see the importance of Khajuraho and how the peoples to take the Khajuraho. Khajuraho from Buddhist place or Buddhist monument. When you enter the museum of Khajuraho, you will find the first statue that is the star in the museum, that is the Buddha. So they already mentioned this belongs to this period, and they mentioned that the 12th, 13th century the Buddhism was flourished in the Khajuraho area. So it was in the 1864. Cunningham is very much known, discovered this Buddha image, and gently it transport to the Khajuraho and installed in the museum. The other images, other history, and all those things, the population become very less due to the people's adopted the meditation as well as the Buddhism, because they practice the Buddha teachings. When the Buddha teachings flourish, population goes very down. Then the Chandelas, the kings, they decided how to, you see, the increase the population number. Then those images, Chandela temples, they created and established, and now they become popular in the other way, not the Buddhism. Nice. So same way, when you go to the Bhopal, from Bhopal to about 50 kilometers, 45 kilometers, that is the Saru Maru. Famous name is Saru Maru, and this is the Pan Ungaria. That is the district in Sihor, but it's nearby to the Bhopal. This area. What is it? You see the authenticity and all those things they cover. Same way, Sundarsi. Name of this place is Sundarsi, and once you see the architecture damaging or those conditions, this is the small children. They took the statue of this Buddha, and this Sajapur district. तो शाजापुर डिस्ट्रिक्ट का ये 19 किलोमीटर दूरी पर ये सुंदर सी गांव है। ये अभी तक ना तो स्टेट गवर्नमेंट के आर्कियोलॉजी में ना ही ये